Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, let's learn about the basics of C programming language. C programming is a high-level language. It is a user-friendly language which has got the rich library. It is a very flexible and versatile which allows maximum control with minimal commands. So here in C programming language with the minimum commands you can perform the maximum function. So let's go with the history of C. Dennis Ritchie is the founder of the C programming language. C programming language was founded in the year 1972 at Bell Laboratory. Some of the basic concepts that we are going to learn in C programming languages are C tokens, data types, variables, pointers, looping and controlling statements, operators, and so on. Let's look after these concepts one by one in the upcoming sessions. So this is the basics of the C programming language. It is one of the important language, and if you are a beginner, if you have stepped into coding world, this is the best language to be learned. It depends on you, it depends on how you take. Every languages are same, it only depends on how you learn, how you understand the logic. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope all of you understood. If any doubts you can put down below in the comment section. So from the next video, let's learn in detail each of the concepts of C programming languages. Every week I'll be uploading the videos. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you all. Bye. Have a good day. Happy learning.